Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an easy and quick barbecue recipe for you guys. I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. Let's light the fire and let's get going. Hello everyone, I have these beautiful baby backs I got from my local Sam's. Man, they're great, a lot of meat. I try to get the thickest one I can find. That way I know they're very meaty. First thing we're going to do is hit them with a light coating of spray olive oil, and we're going to hit them with the garlic and herb Mrs. Dash. This is it right here. And then finish it with a little bit of Laurys seasoning salt and fresh ground pepper. And we're going to do that on both sides. That Mrs. Dash, the Laurys, and the fresh ground black pepper is going to give it a good flavor. And then that olive oil is going to give it a nice binder. And I think it's going to help it crisp up and create a nice bark on that ribs also. Hey, family, in the comments below, let me know if you use Mrs. Dash on your cooking and on your barbecue. And if so, what flavor do you like the best? Thank you. That side is complete. Now we're going to flip and repeat the same process. Hey, if you like these videos so far, please consider subscribing to my channel because we make videos every week and I'm looking forward to making more recipes and sharing them with you on my YouTube channel. Thank you. The seasoning process is complete and we're going to put these in the fridge. Now here I have started my fire with a little bit of lump, with a little bit of oak splits, and then we'll alternate from oak and hickory. The fire is going good and the cold bait is looking good. It's 4 in the morning, my fire is going, and now I'm going to put my ribs on the offset. They laid out pretty good, the seasoning's looking good, and I'm looking forward to getting this fire going and getting these ribs nice and crispy and cooked. And here we are, we're at the 2 hour mark. All I did is rotate them from left to right, get these baby backs nice and cooked evenly. We can get some even color. We have some bright spot. That one on the second from the right, I think that's a big patch of fat I did not cut off, but I think it's going to render down and get nice and golden brown a little bit later. But everything is looking good. My temperature on this top shelf is running a little high, around 350, 375. I think that's okay for ribs because it's a lot of fat, and get that fat nice and rendered, get that meat nice and tender. Here's a quick shot of my Shirley Fab rolling smoke, cooking these ribs, getting them nice and tender. And I love this cooker, one of the best on the market. Here we are, we're at the 3 hour mark. And what I do, I get my temperature probe off my instant read thermometer and I stick them in every part of the rib, the thickest, the thinnest, and they should slide in like butter and slide out like butter. And once I realize they all slide in like butter and slide out like butter, that lets you know the ribs is done and tender. And here we are at the 3 hour mark. I already did this to all of them. Come to find out they're done. Look at that nice color. That one rib that had all the fat on the top, it rendered and also turned nice and crispy, golden brown. My family and friends really enjoyed these baby back ribs with that garlic and herb Mrs. Dash. I've never thought to add that to ribs, so one of my good buddies, he referred me to that seasoning. Everyone, I appreciate all your support. Thank you for all your comments and your subscriptions. Until next week, cook and barbecue 247.